Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have a plus 3 is equals to a minus 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solved this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here the reason to solving this problem from first method is that if in your competitive exam the question statement is that you need to find the root of this equation, but if you see directly the question statement, you cannot get the values of a. But here in the first method I can give a nice method in which you can easily get the values of a. Okay, so here the reason to solve this problem from second method is that if in your exam the question statement is that you just determine the solution set of this problem. So for solution set you directly move towards the second method of this problem. Okay, but both of these two methods are valid to solve this problem. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as a plus 3 whole square is equals to a minus 3 whole square. And now in the next step, we need more simplifications. And it will be written as, here we used two nice algebraic formula. You know about that if we have x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square. And in the second, we have x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. So further in the next step, we need more simplification, and now we apply both of these two algebraic formula to the above equations. And when we apply this formula into the left hand side, it will be written as, this will becomes here a square plus 2 times of xy, here our x is a and y is 3, plus y square and y is 3 square is equals to, this is a x minus y square becomes a square minus 2 times of a into 3 plus 3 square. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, this is a square and 2 times 3 becomes 6a plus this 3 square becomes 9. This is plus a square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus a square. This is 2 times 3 becomes 6a, and we move this into the left hand side and it will becomes plus 6a. And this is 3 square and 3 square becomes here 9, and when we move it into the left hand side it will becomes minus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, so here we need to add or subtract the like terms. So this is the positive term, this is the negative term are cancelled out by each other, and this is the positive 9, this is the negative 9 are also cancelled out by each other, and we get 6a plus 6a becomes 12a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to find the value of a, so that's why we remove this 12 from left hand side, and for this we divide both of the sides by 12. And when we divide by 12, it will be written as 12a divided by 12 equals to 0 divided by 12. So this 12 and this 12 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here our a is equals to 0 divided by 12 becomes here 0. So this is the value of a. Okay, so this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of a is the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a plus 3 is equals to a minus 3, and here we verify the value of a, that is 0. So we substitute this a equals to 0 on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes 0 plus 3 equals to 0 minus 3, and this implies that 3 equals to minus 3. This shows that both of the sides are not equal, or in other words we say that it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible that 3 is equals to minus 3. So we call that the value of a equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this is not satisfied, we call that a equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root. So here we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So this means that this question has no solution. Okay, so this is the final conclusion of this problem which we get here from first method. And now in the here we again solve this problem from second method. And for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is a plus 3 is equals to a minus 3. This is our given question statement. And in this method, here we quickly determine the solution set of this problem. So here we move this plus a to the left hand side and it will becomes a plus 3. This is positive term. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes negative, and this whole equation is equals to minus 3. And now you see here this is minus a and this is plus a are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 3 is equals to minus 3. This shows that both the sides are not equal, but we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution because we cannot get any value of a. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.